In business, standing still is a recipe for failure. To thrive, you must constantly improve and strive for better. Continuous improvement is about enhancing efficiency, reducing waste, and delivering greater value. For any entrepreneur, embracing this mindset is essential. Create a culture where everyone identifies areas for improvement. Like a bicycle wheel, if one spoke is misaligned, the ride is bumpy. Every process an employee contributes to success. Aligning all spokes ensures a smoother, more profitable journey. Lean Six Sigma is a powerful framework for continuous improvement. It's a data-driven methodology to eliminate waste and reduce variation. Think of it as a toolkit for fine-tuning your business engine. Lean focuses on eliminating waste, while Six Sigma minimizes defects. Combining both improves efficiency, quality, and customer satisfaction. The DMAIC process: define, measure, analyze, improve, control, guides problem solving. Lean Six Sigma empowers businesses to achieve breakthrough results. At the heart of every successful business lies a network of interconnected processes. From manufacturing to marketing, from sales to customer service, these processes are the gears that keep the business machine running. Process excellence is all about optimizing these processes to ensure they are efficient, effective, and aligned with the overall business goals. It's about creating a culture where everyone understands the importance of their role in the larger scheme of things and how their work contributes to the success of the organization. Imagine a well-oiled machine where every part works in perfect harmony with the others. That's the power of process excellence. It's about eliminating bottlenecks, reducing rework, and ensuring that every step in a process adds value. By continuously improving processes, businesses can achieve significant gains in productivity, reduce costs, improve quality, and enhance customer satisfaction. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, businesses need to adapt or risk being left behind. Digital transformation is not just about adopting the latest technologies. It's about leveraging these technologies to fundamentally transform business models, processes, and customer experiences. Think of digital transformation as a journey, not a destination. It's about continuously exploring and adopting new technologies to improve efficiency, enhance agility, and unlock new opportunities for growth. From cloud computing and big data analytics to artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, the possibilities are endless. These technologies are reshaping industries, creating new business models, and fundamentally changing the way we live and work. For businesses, embracing digital transformation is no longer an option. It's an imperative for survival and growth in the 21st century. Section 5. AI Revolution. Transforming Industries. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a futuristic concept confined to science fiction movies. It's rapidly becoming an integral part of our everyday lives and is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. From self-driving cars and virtual assistants to personalized medicine and fraud detection, AI is revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. At its core, AI is about enabling machines to mimic human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and problem-solving. This capability opens up a world of possibilities for businesses looking to automate tasks, optimize processes, and gain deeper insights from data. By harnessing the power of AI, businesses can unlock new levels of efficiency, productivity, and innovation, ultimately driving growth and creating a competitive advantage. Section 6. AI in Action. Real-world success stories. The transformative potential of AI is not just a theoretical concept. It's already being realized across various industries. Let's take a look at some real-world examples. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots are working alongside human workers, automating repetitive tasks, improving precision, and reducing errors in manufacturing processes. In healthcare, AI algorithms are being used to analyze medical images, diagnose diseases with greater accuracy, and develop personalized treatment plans. In finance, AI-powered chatbots are providing instant customer support, while AI algorithms are detecting fraudulent transactions and assessing credit risks. And in retail, AI is powering recommendation engines that suggest products to customers based on their browsing history and purchase patterns. These are just a few examples of how AI is transforming industries and creating new possibilities for businesses of all sizes. Section 7. Challenges in implementing change. Navigating the hurdles. While the benefits of continuous improvement, digital transformation, and AI are undeniable, implementing these changes can be challenging. Businesses need to be aware of the potential hurdles and develop strategies to overcome them. One of the biggest challenges is resistance to change. People are often comfortable with the status quo, even if it's not the most efficient or effective way of doing things. Overcoming this resistance requires clear communication, strong leadership, and a culture that embraces change. Another challenge is the lack of skills and expertise. Implementing new technologies and methodologies requires specialized knowledge and skills. Businesses need to invest in training and development programs to ensure their workforce has the necessary capabilities. Finally, integrating new technologies and processes into existing systems can be complex and time-consuming. Businesses need to carefully plan and manage these integrations to minimize disruptions and ensure a smooth transition. Section 8. Strategies for success. Integrating AI and continuous improvement. Integrating AI and continuous improvement principles is not just about implementing new technologies. It's about creating a culture of innovation and continuous learning. Start by identifying areas where AI can have the biggest impact. Focus on automating repetitive tasks, improving decision-making processes, and enhancing customer experiences. Invest in training and development programs to upskill your workforce and equip them with the knowledge and skills needed to thrive in an AI-powered world. Foster a data-driven culture by collecting, analyzing, and leveraging data to make informed decisions and track progress. Remember that integrating AI and continuous improvement is an ongoing journey, not a one-time project. Continuously evaluate your progress, identify areas for improvement, and adapt your strategies accordingly. Section 9. The Indian Business Landscape. Opportunities and challenges. The Indian business landscape is ripe with opportunities for businesses looking to embrace continuous improvement, digital transformation, and AI. With a large and growing economy, a young and tech-savvy workforce, and a government that is supportive of innovation, India is well positioned to become a global leader in the digital economy. However, Indian businesses also face unique challenges, such as a lack of infrastructure in some areas, a complex regulatory environment, and a shortage of skilled labor in certain fields. To succeed in this dynamic environment, Indian businesses need to be agile, adaptable, and willing to embrace change. They need to focus on innovation, invest in their workforce, and leverage technology to create a competitive advantage. Section 10. The future of business, growth through innovation. The future of business belongs to those who embrace continuous improvement, leverage the power of technology, and foster a culture of innovation. By integrating AI, Lean Six Sigma, and other continuous improvement methodologies, businesses can unlock new levels of efficiency, productivity, and customer satisfaction. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are well worth the effort. In the words of the great Steve Jobs, Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. So, embrace the power of continuous improvement, ride the wave of digital transformation, and unlock the transformative potential of AI. Your future success depends on it.